Here's a clearer and formatted step-by-step guide for configuring DigiPOS Zen Billing Software. Download the software. Visit our website and click here to download the setup file. Obtain the DigiPOS Zen setup file. Run the installer. Double-click the downloaded setup file and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose an installation directory. It is recommended to avoid the C drive. Choose SQL Server computer name as the connection type. Use the default credentials provided for the first login. Navigate to Tools, Company Settings, Create Company. Enter the following details. The default password is admin. You can edit this password if needed to enhance security. Click the Create button to complete the company creation. Use the credentials, username and password created during company setup to log in. This guide will help you configure DigiPOS Zen quickly and efficiently.